Hey guys, I am so sorry about that. My face was actually stuck in the same position. I don't understand how it happened. It's weird. Today, we are here in Progreso. Progreso is a city that's in the Yucatan state in Mexico. It's a really nice city. Beautiful Malecon, beautiful blue water of the Gulf of Mexico, and it's been fantastic. We came from Chuberna, little beach town of Chuberna, which is about 20 or 30 minutes. Oh, I think.
Yeah, 20 minutes.
Maybe it's 20 minutes.
By Colectivo.
Yeah, by Colectivo. Chuberna has nothing really going on. It's a place where you just want to relax, and it's so peaceful. But yeah, we came to the busier city of Progreso to check out the beach, the Malecon. I'm gonna flip the camera. I'll show you how blue this damn water is. It's fantastic. So after only being in town for an hour or two, you can definitely see why some people prefer Progreso over Cancun. Don't get me wrong, Cancun's beautiful, but it's a bustling tourist attraction. It's a bit hectic and overcrowded and very expensive. And sure, Progreso is a little bit out of the way. It's in the next state over, and there's not too many direct flights that go to Merida. But with the new Mayan train, you can always hop off the plane, jump on the train, and you'll be over in Merida in no time, and then you just take an Uber up to Progreso. It's truly not that bad. One of the things we caught on to pretty quick was how good the micheladas are in the Yucatan. They take these things very seriously. I've had a lot of micheladas in my day, but nothing like this. They were so tasty, but they will strip the enamel off your teeth if you're not careful. So if you're wondering what a michelada is, it's essentially beer, lime juice, salt, and then you add some sort of heat, whether it be chili paste, hot sauce, or something called chamoy. And some people even add candies. The Malecon in Progreso is really beautiful. It reminded us of La Paz. And down here you'll find a lot of restaurants, little shops, and vendors selling things. And if you like, you can rent umbrellas and chairs. So one of the main attractions in Progreso is the Museo del Meteorito. And what it is essentially is a museum dedicated to the extinction of the dinosaurs. As many of you know, or should know, the Gulf of Mexico is where a giant meteorite hit hundreds of millions of years ago. And this caused the extinction of the dinosaurs and formed the Gulf of Mexico. If you're not into schlepping up and down the Malecon, they have plenty of these sightseeing tour buses, including this Volkswagen one, which is actually like a bar. This way you'll be able to kill two birds with one stone by getting drunk and seeing the city at the same time. If you have kids, they have this really cool little train that takes you from one side of the Malecon to the other. So our final resting place of the day was Eladio's. And the reason I say final resting place is because Eladio's is all you can eat. And by the time you leave there, you're brimming with food and joy. But you can't walk anymore. You're basically incapacitated. Anyways, I'll leave you with a little ditty by Señor Ildefonso. Toodles, amigo.
Yo no sé si tenga vida, pero allá estaré como